We are in Isla Morada and you're watching Kiwi Adventure.
Alright guys, we just left Isla Morada and we are heading down to Big Pine Key and cross over the 7 Mile Bridge. Look at that. Alright guys, so we just pulled up in Marathon, had to put gas, and our plan is to cross over 7 Mile Bridge, go to Big Pine Key, and then turn around. So we're still doing a good time. It's 1 o'clock, it's 1:20. We left around 11 or so. So, you know, a couple of stops, but this is a really fun ride. And we're gonna continue, we're gonna go to 7 Mile Bridge, and then after that, we're gonna turn around. How you like the ride?
Love it.
Yeah?
Love it. Nice and cold, you know, that's the best time.
Yeah, we're in November already, so it's not that hot. Summertime is brutal, so it's about 80 degrees right now, but with the breeze, it's really cool. So
Feels great.
feels really nice. Yep. North Americano. No tiene fuerza. So this is where I felt that the bike didn't have any power. It looks like after fueling up at the gas station, maybe I got some dirt in the lines or whatnot. So we pulled over to check it out. Everything seemed normal. The fuel pump was working fine, and then after a few twists of the throttle, it kind of cleared up. So we took over the 7 Mile Bridge, but while we were going over the 7 Mile Bridge, we stalled by twice, pulled over, and had to start it up again and clear it. Alright guys, we are crossing 7 Mile Bridge, which goes from Marathon to Big Pine Key, and this is the largest bridge that we have in South Florida or in the state. If you look ahead, you can see it's 7 miles long. Alright guys, I had to stop by myself. Had little issues with the fuel. When we were going over 7 Mile Bridge, the bike started sputtering, and I thought I was getting stranded out there. I don't know, I think it's running rich right now, and that's probably the reason why it's not working correctly. It's making a lot of noise. So my friends did not see me. They actually stopped a couple of miles north. We just finished fueling up again. Grabbing something really quick, and then we're gonna continue going. But hopefully this bike won't give me any issues, because like I said, it was sputtering out a little bit. Yeah, that's not normal for this bike. This bike is usually steady and loud, so we'll see if we make it home. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we are arriving to Robbie's. Can you hear that? That noise is not right. Anyway, we are arriving to Robbie's right now, and just walk around, and then we will continue to have lunch. All right, we made it to Robbie's Marina here in Isla Morada. This is one of our stops as well. This is a place where you can feed the tarpons as well. And we come here just to, you know, walk around, have a drink. You can also buy souvenirs and stuff like that. Take pictures, of course. That's what we usually do when we come down here. So if you come to Robbie's, they do have a restaurant and bar here, and they have a restaurant outside with a beautiful view right next to where you feed the tarpon. Check it out, check it out. This is the restaurant with a nice view outside. Back there is where you feed the tarpon. I'm gonna show it to you in a minute. And yep, cool vibes out here. All right, guys, so you come through here. This is where you actually feed the tarpon. I think they charge you a cover to just enter and watch. For $5, you can get a bucket of fish to feed the tarpon. They charge you $2.50 to enter, even if you only want to watch, and $5 for the bucket. Yeah, so that's where you feed the tarpon. And they got a little marina. They also rent boats and kayaks, paddle boards, and I believe they also rent jet skis out here, so people can go on the bay or on the ocean side, on the right side over there. This is what I feel like I'm riding right now because my motorcycle is having issues. It feels like I'm riding on something like this today. All right, guys, we are heading to the restaurant. I believe it's at Well Harbor. So we just gotta go north. Okay. We have arrived. The place is called Wahoo's.
This bitch is mine. Ojalá. No lo corte.
No lo voy a cortar, marica. All right. So we just arrived to Wahoo's Bar and Grill. This is one of our favorite restaurants down here in the Keys. It's got a beautiful view to the ocean. So, yeah, you're getting burned, babe. So, yeah. So we got to one of our favorite restaurants here. You got a marina. You can take pictures over there too if you want. Everybody got their food. Look at that. Look at me. Yeah. We left the restaurant. It was really good food. And they got the marina here. You can actually come and walk around. It's called Well Harbor. And they have these marlins where you can come and take some pictures. That is the famous Isla Morada Sandbar, which we have a video. We're gonna leave you the link down below if you want to check it out. And yeah, this is just the marina. You can come and you know, take some pictures. And we are going back to the bikes, and last stop will be one of our favorite ones. Where are we going? Key Lime Pie Factory in Key Largo. Is probably the best key lime pie in the Keys, and they got a nice little patio in the back where you can go and take pictures, of course. You know, get some coffee, cookies,
pastries, and cookies and things like that.
And then
coffee, of course.
And well, of course, the key lime pie is one of the best that I have ever had. So, hi guys, we are leaving Wahoo's and heading up north to Key Largo to Key Lime Pie Factory. 6 o'clock in the afternoon. We made it to Key Lime Pie Factory, guys. Woo, you're gonna check these out. guys, so this is the Blunt Giraffe Key Lime Pie Factory. We have been coming here for years, and this is for us the best key lime pie that we can find in the state. All right guys, so check this out. They have anything and everything that has to do with key lime cookies. These are, I guess those are candies, pecans, merengues, everything that has to do with key lime pie they got. Cool little store. You guys definitely gotta come check it out. Thank you. And they have this, a backyard with a whole full chain of love hearts. I remember the first time I came here, there was not really many there, and they actually added 2 more rows here of love chains. Okay. All right, so what do you think about the whole trip?
Awesome.
You think
Excellent.
it was good? Yeah, it was a really good trip. I planned that yesterday.
Yeah, okay, I believe you. We tried and planned this last November.
No, I'm saying the route. I say, all right, so we're gonna go here.
The last time was in March.
Was it March? No, that wasn't March.
I think
That was like
so.
2. No, that was.
November.
No, it's been a few months. You said like a month ago. No, it's been a few months. And
Anyway,
it got
guys.
canceled.
Whatever they say, they're right. But yes, we were trying to plan this trip for a while, and finally we got to do it today, and it came out really nice. All right, so we are at the Key Lime Pie Factory,
Finally, my coffee.
and this is the end of the video. Cállate, weón. Clase come pinga este. No es que estoy grabando, marica. Coño, man. All right, this guy. I'm telling you, this guy. I don't think I'm coming out with this guy again. But anyway, so hey guys, so we are.
Corte.
Corte, exacto, corte, sí. Ay, corte, ¿qué es? Hey, silencio en el estudio, por favor.
Acción.
All right, guys, so we are at the Key Lime Factory. Okay, esta vieja va a seguir. These guys,
Esto lo tengo que poner behind the scene.
yeah, these guys.
Action.
Ya vamos a acabar el café y te sigo.
I'm telling you, these guys are not serious.
Say bye, that's it.
All right, so
I finally got my coffee. We got the key lime pie.
For $6.
$6 for an espresso, but it's really good though.
How much you pay for?
we're gonna take calles. All right, guys, so we are at the Key Lime. All right, guys, so we are at the Key Lime Pie Factory. Que mal parido este, güey. All right, guys, this is really the end of the day. So we had a really good day with our friends. We spent the whole day in the Keys. It's been, what, 8 hours riding, right?
Yeah.
And hopefully you like this video. Consider subscribing and give us a like. And if you don't mind, leave a comment below and tell us which one of the places that we visited today you like the most. And we'll see you until the next one.
Bye.
Otra vez, bye.
Bye.